Hello everyone, as you can see we have a HomePod Mini in front of us. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to put this in the house yet, but there was such a good deal on it over the holidays. I couldn't resist. I do have some options, but at this point I have a digital assistant probably in every room, for better or for worse. But anyways, what we're going to do today is unbox the Mini. That way you can see what's inside of it. And then from there, what we'll do is we'll set it up as well. That way you can see the pairing process. I do have an iPhone, so it should be pretty easy if it's anything like any other Apple product to set up. I was actually really disappointed when Apple decided to discontinue the full HomePod as opposed to the HomePod Mini, but that's a whole other discussion for another day. So let's go ahead and open this. It's interesting, there's not like a pull tab. Usually there's a pull tab on these boxes, so well, we'll go ahead and just take the trusty knife here and make it easy. There we go. If you have any questions while we're setting this up, make sure to ask down below. All right, here we go. HomePod Mini. Slowly. There we go. Wow, this guy is tiny. It's so super tiny. I do like the fact that that's right there. Does come with a charger. I'm wondering if I can use this with just a hub. We'll see what happens. We'll try setting that up that way. I like how it feels. It's very cloth-like, but thick and sturdy. The cable here, I mean, it's nice. My only complaint, and I'm not sure if the original HomePod had it or not, it's the fact that the cable is connected. There's no way to disconnect it, but oh well. All right, so let's see what happens. I'm gonna try plugging in. It's probably not enough power. Oh, maybe it is. Okay, so it's blinking. We'll see what happens here. I'm not sure if that's enough power, the hub that I have for it, but we'll see what happens here. So let's... I don't think that's enough power. All right, we'll go ahead and set that up the other way here. So give me 1 second, I'll go ahead and so let's try this again here. See what happens. That's looking better. Okay, and as soon as that sound happened, this came up, so we'll go ahead and do setup here. Continue. You know what, for right now, I'm just gonna put this in, yeah, that room. So what it's doing is it's transferring all the settings. We'll see what happens here. Should be pretty straightforward as far as getting this set up here. If you have any questions while we're going through this, make sure to ask down below. And if you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. And I'm doing this in real time. That way you guys can see exactly how long it takes to do the setup. And it's going. As you can see, it is still setting up. I like how small this is though. It's like super approachable. Like it's under 4 inches. That is nuts. Like 3.5 inches tall. All right, and with that, it's done. Okay, so let's see what happens here.
Sure, here's some music picked just for you.
Okay, so that works. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 3:02 p.m.
All right. Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
A sloth walks into a coffee shop, waits to get the barista's attention, and says, "I'll have cappuccino." The barista says, "Hey, why the long pause?"
Okay, so anyways, so that is the device. If you're familiar with any Siri devices, you'll know that, how it's used and whatnot. So I'm not going to go into that.
I didn't get that. Could you
Of course, now all my devices are going off. But anyways, it's small. I like that. I like that you can pretty much put it anywhere and it's going to be fine. So with that, that's the video just for now. You saw how easy it was to set up. You see what comes in the box. Actually, I didn't show you the instructions. Okay, we get the normal Apple image there, and should have actually gone through the instructions as far to set it up, but that's that. Okay, so that's it. Like I said, if you have any questions, ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, like Star Wars and Star Wars Black Series, but we also do other things as well, like home automation, electronics, gaming, and that sort of thing as well. So if any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.